Hello. Welcome to FonePaw channel. This video is about how to recover deleted data from Android. Of course, we will use the FonePaw Android Data Recovery. Launch the program and connect the Android phone to computer. Select the types of files you want to recover and click Next. The program will start to check your phone and ask for root permission. Right, if you want the program to scan out some deleted files, your phone needs to be rooted. The program needs the authority to do a deep scan. After the scanning, you can view the data on the program. Part of the images, contacts, messages, you can view the details. Select the files you want and click Recover. Then, you can view the files on your computer. So, that's all. If you want to see more mobile tips, you can subscribe us or go to FonePaw.com. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.